All right, here we go. Today, 11.3, dealing with polygons. Now, I want everybody to say poly just means many. Poly means many. All right, so this just means many sides. So bear with me on this. All right, so again, polygons. All right, determine whether the figure is a polygon. If it is, classify the polygon. If it is not a polygon, explain why. All right, now the main thing for polygons, let's draw this out real quick, is this right here. And you just pay attention. Look up on the board. This is not a polygon because the arc is not a line, or it's not a segment. Is everybody with me? All right, so they all must be segments. Is everybody with me? All right, in order for it to be a polygon. Also, tell me about this.
No, that is not a polygon.
100% correct. You guys know this. All right, this is a review. Like I said, it's a nice unit. All right, it's a nice little review. That's not a polygon because the sides overlap. All right, so the sides cannot overlap. All right. Now, when you classify it, all right, you're going to classify it by the number of sides. You're going to classify it by the number of sides. Can anybody tell me what a one-sided polygon looks like? There's no such thing. Two-sided polygon.
No.
No. So the first polygon is considered a what? Triangle. The triangle has what?
3 sides.
3 sides. Correct? All right. Now, if something has 4 sides, we call it a quadrilateral. All right. If something has 5 sides, pentagon. Is everybody good with that? 6 sides, hexagon. Now 7 sides, heptagon. Very good. 7 sides is heptagon. 8 sides,
Octagon.
octagon. Now the hard one, 9 sides. Wow, you guys are good. 10 sides. Oh, now if you know this one, I'll be impressed. 11.
11.
No.
It's
Undecagon.
one decagon.
Undecagon. I know, I don't make these names up. They were just told to me.
Don't
So
one.
11 sides is undecagon. So 12 sides would obviously be there. Actually, you're correct on that. 12 sides, I'm sure it's more common, is called a dodecagon. So again, you guys should know from 3 to 12. All right, you should just know from 3 to 12. All right. So the ones that most people forget are the 7 sides, which is the heptagon, 9 sides, nonagon, 11, no, not unagon, undecagon, and 12, dodecagon. All right, dodecagon. All right, that's what we're dealing with right now. All right, now, again, so we're going to name number 1. First of all, is 1 a polygon? Yes. All right. Now, how many sides? Now, what's nice about this, you can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hexagon.
So everybody put down hexagon. 6 is hexagon. All right, let's count number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody's going to write down octagon.
We just put an O.
No, you need to work on your spelling.
I don't think I spelled that.
All right. Number 4 is a quadrilateral. It does look like a square, but we don't know it's a square. Does everybody agree with that? So that is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. All right. Quad. Q-U-A-D. Do you want me to spell it for you, kiddo? Quadrilateral. You with me on that?
Yeah.
All right. Uh-oh. Did you count them? 12. Do, D-O. Deca, D-E-C-A. Dodecagon. Yes. Dodecagon. All right. Number 5. How many sides? So that would be called a pentagon. Pretty simple. Max, look, I'm not sure what you're doing, man. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is a heptagon. All right. All right, is everybody okay with that? Good? Now, listen. Now the hard part. All right. And it's really not that hard. All right. But please pay attention. All right. I'm going to show you now how to remember the sum of the interior angles. All right. So what I want to do now is I want you to look right here. All right. I'm going to take a look at number 5. How many sides does that have? 5. Can anybody tell me what is this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus that angle? Hey, come on, guys.
Good morning, boys and girls.
We're a little sluggish today. Sorry, it's Friday. All right, trying to get through. All right. So on question number 5 here, we said it was how many sides? 5 sides. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to teach you how to figure out how or what the sum of the interior angles are. All right. So now please watch. All right. For the interior angles, here's how you're going to figure that out. And all you have to do is watch. So we're going to draw triangles. All right. And when you draw the triangle, you now separated that figure into 3 triangles. And the angles of all the triangles, the interior angles, add up to what? 180 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
So these angles here add up to 180 degrees. The angles in the middle add up to what? 180 degrees. And the other triangle adds up to what? 180 degrees. All right. So 180 3 times is how much? 540. All right. So the angles of a pentagon always add up to what? 540. All right. They always add up to 540. All right. Now what I want to do is I want to take a look at question number 6. All right. So for question number 6, it's the same exact principle. All right. Watch what I'm doing. All right. I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide it into what again? Triangles. Right? So look here for me. And how many triangles do you have? 5. And all the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So it would just simply be 5 times 180, which is 900 degrees. All right? So there is a pattern here. There were how many sides to this one? Yay, very good. So the formula is, very smart girls. The formula is n, listen to me, n represents the number of sides. All right, so to find the sum of the angles, you take n and you subtract 2, and then you multiply it by what? 180. All right? That was what we say is the sum. The sum of the interior angles is always n minus 2 times 180. Now again, what does n represent? Somebody tell me what? Yes, n represents the number of sides. N represents the number of sides. Okay? So now I want to take a look now at number 7. All right, now give yourself plenty of room, all right? Blow up so you can see it. All right, so a pentagon has how many sides? 5. So what I want you to do is I want you to write sum is equal to, And then you're going to open up parentheses, and you're going to say 5 minus 2 times 180. And what did that come out to be? 540. All right, 540, and I want you to put the little degree symbol up there. All right. Anybody having issues? All right. So if you would draw a polygon with 20 sides. What? What? It doesn't matter. All right. Ask me what the question is. Come on. You understand what I'm saying, Sebastian? You can do 5 minus 2 times 180 without me helping you. Sit up in your seat correctly now. Come on, Sebastian. What?
Oh, I just wanted to.
All right. So for a 20gon, now for a 20gon, now we don't have a special name for all the polygons. So generally when you say after 12, if there were 15 sides, you would just say a 15gon. Or if the 30 sides, you would say a what? 30gon. All right. So in this case, what am I going to do?
So you're going to do n minus 2, which is just 20 minus 2.
So 20 minus 2.
Times 180.
Exactly.
And I got 3,200.
I think he's correct. 3,240 degrees. 3,240 degrees. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you tell me what to do next. First of all, you got to tell me what a nonagon is. 9 sides. Thank you very much. So I want you, everybody has to write down sum equals, and then it would be what? Beautiful. (1,260 degrees). All right, next one. Go. Jess.
It's put in parentheses 10 minus 2.
Good.
And then you do 180. And then that would be 1440.
Now make sure everybody's putting the degree symbols up there. 1,440. Now good. Does everybody see that now, right? That's not hard. That's not hard at all. All right. Any questions with that? All right. I'm agreeing with you. All right. Now, all right. I want everybody to highlight the word regular. Can anybody tell me what they think a regular polygon looks like? Somebody take a guess if you don't know. Julian.
4 sides.
Regular does not mean 4 sides. A square is regular.
A pentagon would be like.
Okay, so which one of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 looks regular.
2.
And
3.
and
4.
2, 3, and 4 look regular. So look, even if you don't know, you can say, I think those look regular. Look, Max, I'm tired of it.
It was me.
All right, no, stop. Just stop. You need to work on math. What? All right, now 2, 3, and 4 look regular. The reason 2, 3, and 4 look regular is because describe it. What does it look like? They all have equal sides.
Straight line.
And nope. Nope. Come on, what is it? Look at 2, 4, and 3. What?
They're even.
Even, not necessarily even sides. Now you said they have equal sides. What else is true? Equal sides and equal angles. Everybody take a close look at that now. 2, 3, and 4. All the sides look the same. And all of the what? Angles. All right? So the angles must be equal. So now the question is, if I wanted to measure this right here, if it's regular, it's easy to do. All right? Now let you write down the formula, then Julian, I'll get you your paper. All right? the formula for the angle, all right, the interior angle, and there's my symbol for angle. Is everybody with me? My interior angle is always the sum of the angles divided by the number of sides. Very smart. All right? So for questions 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, you just have to do one more step. You just divide by the number of sides. Is everybody with me on this? All right? So how many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
So we're going to say the interior angle is equal to 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. And somebody tell me, 120 degrees. Beautiful, 120 degrees. Julian, are you good now? 120 degrees. Everybody happy with that? Any questions?
Yeah.
All right, now let's take a look at number 12. For those guys who weren't good at spelling, you could have looked. All right, now you see what a heptagon looks like. Heptagon. Tell me, how many sides? 7 sides. So my interior angle, yes, everybody do that now. And it says round to the nearest tenth. All right, so what is it? Go ahead, Sebastian. 128.6, and again, 128.6 degrees. Is everybody happy with that? All right, everybody good? All right. Now listen, a quadrilateral would look like a what if it was regular? A square. Who said that? Good job. Quadrilateral would look like a square. Do you hear me? If a quadrilateral looks like a square, what's the measure of the angle? 90. Now, if you wanted to use the formula, could you?
Yes.
Yes, or you can just say, well, I'm smart. I know what a square is, and I know a square has the angle of what? 90 degrees. Is everybody with me on that? But if you use the formula will tell you that it is what? 90 degrees. All right? So a quadrilateral is 90 degrees. Octagon. All right. Colin, you tell me what to do for an octagon.
So 6 minus 2.
Wait a minute. Octagon.
Some interior.
Wait,
angle.
octagon though. How many sides is an octagon?
8.
8. Thank you. So now what?
8 minus 6. With 2.
You're fine.
Times 180 divided by 2.
Divided by.
It's 8.
Yes, Colin, don't worry about it. 8. Just take your time, okay? That's the important thing. So now you tell me what that answer is.
135 degrees.
Anybody else get 135 degrees?
Yes.
All right, 135. All right. Vivian, why don't you join us today? Tell me what to do for a pentagon.
So, the pentagon has 5 sides, so it's 3 times 180
Good job. And then what?
divided by 5.
Divided by 5.
And that is
108 degrees, guys. Very, very simple. It's simple if you know the what?
formula.
You know the formula. All right. So here we go. Number 16. Ooh. You got this, Julia?
Yeah.
All right, give it a shot.
It's 100 minus 2, and then parentheses 180, and then divided by 100,
Beautiful.
and then I got 17.
Everybody else, double checker, please.
I
Is
got
that correct?
90. I got 100. I got 170. I got 170.
Yeah, I got 176.4.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Double check that, please, Julia. You just probably looked at the decimal wrong. Or you could have just divided by 10 instead of divided by 100 or something. So tell me again, 176.4? You see that, Julia, now? Yep, that's perfect. 176.4. All right. Now, now for this right here, all you're going to do is just going to tell me what shapes do you see. All right, a triangle. So everybody's got to write down a triangle. Hold on a minute. Let's do it. Triangle. All right. And I see, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it in order. I see 3 sides. Can I find something that has 4 sides?
Yes.
No.
Do you?
I see pentagon.
Stop. I do. I see 4.
Oh, the middle thing.
No.
6. Oh.
All right, let me see if I can draw 4 for you. That's why I like this. I'm going to make it a little bigger too.
Oh.
Did everybody see that? Did everybody see that or not?
Yes.
Or you could just say even this if you didn't like that one.
No. Look at the dimensions of that. Look at the dimensions of that one though. Looks
like
the
a
dimensions.
triangle.
It kind of looks like a pyramid.
Yep. Good.
All triangles.
So that looks like a what? Quadrilateral. So everybody write quadrilateral down. All right. Now the next one, do you see 5 sides?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Pentagon is easy. What about a hexagon?
Yeah.
Bless you. I see a hexagon. What else? Do I see 7 sides? Yes, you probably can. Now again, let's just practice. I don't have any idea. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does everybody see that? I bet you I could almost make what? As many. Does everybody agree with that?
So she was just talking.
Hold on a minute. So what is that? 7 sides what again? Heptagon. Now, can I see an 8?
Yeah, probably.
Well, I'm going to find it. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I found a nonagon, right?
I found an 8. You just have to go.
Yes, that's right. I was just going to say that.
Hold on.
Right?
Yes.
Does everybody see what I'm saying? This is kind of a silly question.
Yeah, you just cross up.
Does everybody agree with that?
Yeah.
All right. We'll go with Will. What are we saying here? Will. Now, but I would like to say, yeah, I don't really care.
Yeah.
Cross out 17, cross out 18.
Yeah.
So now go down to the other one. I want you to take a look at 16 and 17.
Oh, wow.
Is everybody with me? That's all you have to do. All right.
Wait, just
Now,
16 and 17.
just 16 and 17. Now, I want you to hear me now, guys. The sum. What's the formula? One last time for sum of the angles. N minus 2 times 180. And then what's the formula for the measure of each angle? N minus 2 times 180. Instead of saying divided by the number of sides, just say divided by N. All right, those are the formulas. Does everybody hear me? All right, now look. I don't think it gets any easier than this. You have a calculator. Go ahead, use your calculator. When you're done, just sit quietly and listen. Work on something else so you don't have any homework. All right? Good. All right.